Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Since the working principles of all devices are the same, if you write your problems and thoughts about all brands and models in the comments, we will solve the problem immediately. Some keys of my keyboard are not working, friends. Can we repair these keys or change our keyboard? I recommend you to subscribe and browse our other useful videos. I would be very happy if you recommend my channel to your friends. The device's keyboard removal and replacement change fix solution. First of all, we will see how to disassemble our computer. Since our keyboard is integrated with the case, we will see how to separate the keyboard from the case. The brand of our device can be Samsung, Lenovo, Apple, Me, Honor, HP, Huawei, Reader or other brands and replica products. This is a valid repair for all. By following the steps I did in my video, we can fix your faulty device in a short time and solve your problems by going step by step. Then it was the turn of the back cover. The back cover should be removed gently. We will open the back cover by freeing it from its nails. It should not be forced when opening, otherwise we may damage the nails. In order not to damage the metal parts and the part to be replaced, we need to disassemble the parts step by step and with small movements. You can disassemble your keyboard by following the steps you will see. With a knife or a sharp-pointed material, we will slowly lift the punched keyboard and the punched metal parts to separate them from the case. And we will disassemble our keyboard step by step. By pressing the keys a little, we separate the keyboard from the case. Since the keyboard we ordered does not have bottom lighting, We will remove the lighting of the old keyboard and install it on the new one. Yes, friends, we will see the removal and installation of the illuminated lighting under the keyboard with the last operation. Friends, we will do the opposite of the movement in the same way in order to put the parts we disassembled back into place. After we put the parts in place, we will heat the plastic points with a soldering iron and fix the parts together again. We can also evaluate the plastic parts that break during disassembly while this process is being done, and we can ensure that they hold more solidly. After our keyboard, we fix the metal casing on the keyboard to the case by melting the plastics with a soldering iron in the same way. Friends, we will do the opposite of the movement in the same way in order to put the parts we disassembled back into place. After we put the parts in place, we will heat the plastic points with a soldering iron and fix the parts together again. After our keyboard, we fix the metal casing on the keyboard to the case by melting the plastics with a soldering iron in the same way. Friends, We will do the opposite of the movement in the same way in order to put the parts we disassembled back into place. After we put the parts in place, we will heat the plastic points with a soldering iron and fix the parts together again. I'm assembling my device now and tightening the screws. We have done a successful repair again. You can congratulate yourself if you did it. And the result is a very happy development. You should definitely try it. We got very good feedback in our previous videos. Write your result in the comments and we will reply. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our video with your friends that you want to benefit from. If you write your questions and opinions in the comments, your other brand model printer computer scanner problems, I will reply as soon as possible for the solution. Thanks.